24 vehicle just took off. Possibly DWI almost hit me in the 7-Eleven parking lot.
10-4, confirming you're still following.
10-4, we're northbound Watson. 24, we just got onto 360 northbound.
Confirming in pursuit.
10-9.
Confirming, are you in pursuit?
10-4.
Stationary is 1033 traffic. 480 copy. Station 0, Sergeant.
424, still northbound, has no lights on. We're at 114, can't maintain the lane.
10-4.
444, clear 6 on route to
44 copy.
424, still northbound, approaching Six Flags. He's weaving all over the road. 115.
Copy.
480, copies, pursuit.
10-4.
We're passing, we're exiting 6 Flags.
Copy, exiting 6 Flags.
480, we have the channel clear.
10-4.
Notify 414 to hold, they have 70 rounds of pursuit.
Receive. Northbound 360, exiting 6 Flags.
424.
Go ahead.
We came to a stop at 6 Flags. Now we're proceeding westbound on 6 Flags.
Copy, stop, then continue westbound 6 Flags.
Vehicle just spun out. Is on the median.
Copy, vehicle spun out. Are you 10-4?
Hey, I'm hitting my phone. I don't know where he is.
Stationary is 1034 traffic.
480, get north side on this as well. 24 on CD, route code.
24, be advised, he came at me intentionally.
Station copy.
44, I'm out with 224.
Receive.